How are you, my dear students? In the previous class, we also explained about the mitosis. Here's the mitosis. We also know about the prophase, prometaphase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase, and these topics also the karyokinesis. In the cytokinesis, in the previous class, we also explained about the cytokinesis, whereas the phlegmoplast, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi body. Now, today I just select another cell division. Here's the another cell division. It's also the meiosis. Yes, my dear students, very important topics. Today I also explain about the meiosis. Please everyone see the books. What's the meaning of the meiosis and what's the meiosis is occurs. Now, at the beginning, the question is what meiosis is occurs. In mitosis, mother cell divides and produces two daughter cells bearing same number of chromosomes as in mother cell. Yes, one mother cell and two daughter cells, but their chromosome is also equal. Now, mitosis is essential for growth and asexual reproduction. Here's the mitosis. It's very important. Basically, mitosis is also the occurs basically physical structure and also the asexual reproduction. In case of sexual reproduction, two gametes, one gamete is male and another gamete is female gametes. I just draw this. Basically, this structure is the male gametes and this structure is the female gamete. When they are also the happen of the fertilization, then it's also the zygote, and another main important topics is the zygote and also the formation of the fertilization. Now, so if the number of chromosome in gamete cells does not reduce to half of the mother cell, the number of chromosome becomes double as a result of the union of the two gametes. In case of meiosis, mother cell divides and produces daughter cells bearing half the number of chromosome of mother cell. I just explained the reproductive mother cell, they are also the 2N. Here's this structure is the male gametes and this structure is the female gametes. Here's the male, they are also divided two chromosome, N chromosome and N chromosome. It's also the another name is the sperm. And another topic is the meiosis, the female gametes. Here's the female reproductive cells. It also divides N gametes and N gametes, and another structure is the called ovum. Now, the sperm, one sperm is there and one ovum is there, and they are also the fertilization, and it's also happened that diploid. Another structure, one structure is sperm and one structure is ovum, and they are also the diploid or 2N. Now, in case of meiosis, mother cell divides and produces daughter cells bearing half the number of chromosomes of mother cell. The number of chromosomes remains same if the number of chromosomes remains same as the mother cell. In the newly formed zygote resulted from the union of such two gamete cells. As a result of cell division by meiosis, the number of chromosomes of a species remains constant generation after generation. This happens during formation of gamete and certain stage of life cycle of the lower plant. This stage of chromosome is called haploid. Another topic, when they are also the formation of only N, this word is the haploid and also the N gametes, and who to have cell unit, the state of chromosome is to the diploid. Now, so the features of the organism are retained is the successive generation by mitotic cell or the meiotic cell. Now, characteristics or features of the meiosis. First, meiosis takes place in the reproductive mother cell of diploid organism and in the zygote of haploid organisms, lower plants. Two characteristics. 4 haploid daughter cells are produced from a single cell. 3 categories. In the process of nucleus divides twice and chromosome divides once. Very important line and very important characters. Again I also repeat. In this process, the nucleus divides twice and the chromosome divides only once. The four daughter cells thus formed certain half the number of chromosome of the mother cells. Now, again I also explained these categories here. These categories is the reproductive mother cells. First structure is the meiosis 1 and the second structure is the meiosis 2. How is the meiosis 1? Nucleus divides only 1 divides and 2 divides, basically 2 divides, and chromosome only divides only 1. Now, where meiosis takes place? Meiosis takes place in the reproductive mother cells during formation of gamete. Meiosis occurs inside the stamen of carpel of flowering plants and in the testes and ovary of higher animals. Meiosis cell division. Now I just explained about the meiosis cell division. Yes, during meiosis cell division, a primordial germ cell is divided in two successive phases. First phase is called meiosis 1 and in the second phase is known as the meiosis 2. Yes, again I also repeat, this category is the meiosis 1 and this category is the meiosis 2. Please everyone draw this figure again. And meiosis 2, during the first division, chromosome of the daughter cells become half of the mother cells. Second division is same as mitosis. It means that cells produced in the first division again divides into two daughter cells. As a result, four daughter cells, and basically they are also the formation of the haploid and are produced from each primordial cell 12. My dear students, today basically I just explained about the meiosis. How is the meiosis occurs? Meiosis basically occurs only for formation of zygote and also the fertilization. Here's the formation and fertilization. It also grows the animals, plants, etc. So my dear students, I just explained only these categories, and the previous class we also explained the mitosis. What are the differences between the mitosis and meiosis? Please everyone explain and also describe this. Mitosis, it also happens in the physical structure, and the meiosis, it also happens the reproductive cells. Yes, the mitosis, it also divides chromosome and nucleus only once, but the meiosis is the nucleus two types, two divides, and the chromosome only once, and etc. etc. I think that's all my dear students. I just explained now the meiosis. Thank you. My dear students, again, today I also explained the next class the role of chromosomes, DNA and RNA in determination of heredity. I just explained only the short briefly what is the chromosome, what is the DNA and what is the RNA. Basically DNA means deoxyribonucleic acid, while it happens only the heredity of materials and physical hereditary materials. RNA, that means the ribonucleic acid. Here's the ribonucleic acid, the heredity of the plant cells, and the chromosome. Basically chromosome, it also depends only the every species. Here's the human and the basically man. The man's scientific name is the human, and it's also the 23 chromosomes. Here's the 23 chromosomes, 23 pairs chromosomes. It also happens is the hereditary materials and the physical basis of heredity. So next class I also explained very interesting topics about the role of chromosome and also DNA and also RNA. Thank you my dear students.